how to delete notes on Facebook. In today's video, I'll show you how to delete notes from your Facebook. If you're someone who used to write notes on Facebook but now wants to clean up your profile or simply remove old notes, this tutorial is for you, so let's get started. Now, first things first, what you need to know is these notes are only visible for 24 hours and it will be gone like a story. Now, to delete your notes, what you need to do is simply tap on your note. And as you can see here, this is your note. Now, simply to delete it, tap on the three dots at the top right corner of the screen. From there, you can find an option that says delete. Simply tap on it. And after the confirm, the deletion of the note will be done. Now, to add a new note, simply tap on it again and you can simply write in your notes and click on share. And that's it. You now know how to delete your old notes or your note from your Facebook.